Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker here in the Netherlands, and I love to show you the end result of this lovely Prisma. We get all kinds of watches here in the workshop, very high-end, just the regular ones, modern, 200 years old. I must admit, I really love this particular watch, this particular model. It's unassuming, it's rugged, it's nice, it's a real, well, working watch. We restored it, well, not to the highest level because that is impossible to restore this bezel, for instance, but we did do the bezel pip, and of course in exactly the same color as the hands. We filled that again. Luminescent paint, but non-radioactive. Scratches like these are very hard to get rid of because the material is simply too thin. So not to jeopardize the function, we just leave it there. But then again, watch is running perfectly. Even the stopwatch exactly to the 12 o'clock position. Of course, we changed the crystal acrylic, and that's the best part, I think. The watch case, look at this. The top side, always in usually watchmaking, the part that makes it beautiful is contrast. So the top here is sunburst, so the scratches come from the middle to the outside, and the sides are beautiful high polish. And especially because you make this the satin finish and the sides the high gloss, you got a lovely contrast. It just looks luxurious. There we go. Well, of course, bracelet is satin finish, even the clasp. You can see, especially if I play with the light, just a few old, very deep dents. I prefer to leave them in than to remove so much material that it's getting thin and doesn't feel right. Case back, again the lovely contrast. The sides are the high polish, and in the middle is a circular graining, and if you play with the lights you see again the small scratches, but if I remove them I jeopardize the print, the engraving. So again, I'm not going to take any chances. I prefer you see some of the scratches, then you remove part of the text. That would be horrible. So I cleaned the dial, and the movement is running perfectly again. 290 amplitude, and I replaced, of course, the crystal. Of course, that wheel. I hope you can remember it from the stream. That was just horrible. That lever yoke was just broken, so we replaced it with the original one. And of course the push pins, because after a revision that takes so much effort, and you will lose the watch because of a push pin of a few cents. That would be that would be horrible. So I love the end result. I love the watch, and I really do hope you enjoyed well, the full disassembly video, and now the end result of this beautiful watch. George, I really do hope you enjoy it, and it was a joy to restore it for you. All the best. See ya. Bye bye.